So, this poem is something I wrote specially for my king. It is called Throne of Me Love. Many have promised to not disrespect the throne, then them lie, and I thought all hope was gone. Soon approached by your island boy with a massive art, smile so bright, him clean me hot. His current throne was vacant, abused with so many lies. Past hurts were the tears that filled me eyes. Now me art so filled with love, as the sun blessed me face. Yes, Jah smiled from above. Bless me with a spirit so pure, the love of me life, him the strength me endure. So it's not just a man, him art been clean and washed. Him was picked out for me from God from the start. So it's not odd that before now, even when me accompanied, me still felt alone because me waited for me king to take his throne of me love.